How to add Cash App money to PlayStation Wallet. You can't directly add Cash App funds to your PlayStation Wallet, but you can work around this by linking your Cash App card to your PlayStation account. In Cash App, open the Cash App on your device. Tap on the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen and follow the steps to order a free Cash Card, if you don't already have one. In PlayStation, log into your PlayStation account. Go to Settings option on the top right corner of the page. You can see their Payment Methods option and click on it. After that, select Add a credit or debit card and enter your Cash App card details, card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once your Cash App card is added, go to Settings, then Account Management option and select Wallet option. There you can see Add Funds option. Select the Cash App card as your payment method and choose the amount you want to add to your wallet. Confirm the transaction, and the funds should be added to your PlayStation Wallet. Thanks for watching.